Misha. So today I wanted to do a quick Christmas deco house tour. I don't have that many decorations this year. In my kitchen I have hardly anything. You will see later. I just have a little wreath above my fan extractor and just small garland with some stuff on a windowsill. But I will just walk you through first, you know, through what I've done, and then with some music and at different times of the day with lights on, I will do like a little tour. So I hope you enjoy it. Have a fabulous Christmas and I see you soon. Bye. So when you walk in to my house, here by the front door, I've got these 3 plaques. I bought them last year, I think in pound shop. Then I have this picture and I bought that last year as well in I bought 3 of them, 3 different ones from the range. So they have those beautiful twinkly lights. And here I have twigs with lights that I have all year round, so this is nothing new. So in this nook where I've got the mirror, I've just put this garland on it. I've got here this vase which is always here, but I just add Christmas foliage for Christmas. And here I've got my ottoman which is full of Louis toys that usually lives in a living room, but obviously I had to get it out of there for Christmas, so it's here. And this bit is, I think, the same, very similar to what I did last year. I've already had all this stuff. These twigs that you can see are the twigs that are usually behind me when I film throughout the year. This was from the range. I think they still sell those signs. This was from the range. This church was from the range. I think the little tree was from Home Sense, and this bigger tree, I can't remember. I bought it last year online from some garden center site. So I have some owls here. The funny thing is these owls are looking a bit giant comparing to the small reindeers, but never mind. So this looks really pretty with the lights on, you will see it later. Now on my table I have like a long faux sheepskin rag. You know, I use those rags for everything. Again, these feathered Christmas trees I've had. The tray and my candelabras are old, and I've just added some greenery, some reindeers and baubles. I didn't want to do that much on here because this will have to go away probably into the living room because I'm hosting the Christmas dinner, so this is going to take up too much space. I've got a nice garland for here. And then you've got my Christmas tree. Nothing has changed here. Oh, actually there has. Can you see these? These like sea urchins, gold sea urchins. I was in a garden center and I saw them, so I bought a few, but because I've got nowhere to put them now, so I just hang them here. And also I bought these. These are faux fur pom-poms. I don't know if you remember, a couple of years ago I made my own feather baubles where I bought like a polystyrene baubles and feather boa and was gluing it on, and I found these. They were really inexpensive. I think they were from eBay or Amazon, and you know, you could, oh, they actually have a loop here, so you could attach them to something and hang them, or I just poke them in a tree like this so they look like snowballs. So yes, nothing more has changed on this tree. You will just see it later with the lights on. Okay, so here's the living room. Oh, hold on, I need to put the lights on my tree. Okay, so you have seen the Christmas tree. Nothing else has been added to it, which is amazing. So here above the mirror I always put this little garland with some lights, and I poked some gold picks in it this time. Hello. Okay, so there isn't much in here. There is my sofa. I've just added some of the sheepskin rags onto it. You know, I'm in love with the faux sheepskin rags. I add them everywhere. You see, I've got one as a tree skirt. I've got this armchair here for Santa, my faux fireplace. Now on my coffee table there isn't much. I've got this like metal twig, I don't know what it is, with little tea lights. I bought that a couple of years ago. That usually sits in my window, but I just put it on here for now because, as you know, all the stuff from the dining table is gonna come here, so I didn't want to put much here. Here in the corner I just have a little table with a metal Christmas tree. Here is Christmas Louis. Hello Louis. He's got a bandage around his leg because he's been biting it and made it sore. And in this corner, as always, I have just a vase with seasonal twigs and some lights. So that's all I've got in here.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the difference this time is that ever since July, I've been happier than I have ever been. It's safe to say that my love for you is true. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself, in a cabin out in nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Very Merry Christmas we'll have this year. Very Merry Christmas without all tears. Christmas we'll have this year.